Alright, the previous video showed us how to do step number 1, the WinRAR install. This is the video for step number 2, the Ecosystem Apps install. So from Hyrel3D.net, we're going to click on Ecosystem Apps under Software and Firmware, and we're going to download this file. I've already got it downloaded over here, so I'm going to right click and run as administrator. It takes just a minute to get the permissions and get launched. Yes, we're going to allow it to make changes. And we're going to point the working directory just like it says at C:// and we're going to extract. This is going to install a full suite of software, including several CAD programs, MeshLab, the slicing program, Slick3R, as well as TeamViewer version 9, for which we are licensed, and Skype. There's really nothing to do once the install is complete, so we're going to cut this video short, and we'll go on to step 3, which will be the Adobe Reader install.